Completion memorandum. A summary that describes a significant matter identified during the audit and how they are addressed, and that include cross-reference to other relevant supporting audit documentation that provides certain information that provides such information. Complete summary. By example, A to B, B to C. How can we explain this? Example, you are going to see in sales document you are seeing. Okay. So sales document, when you're seeing what you see two things. What is the entry will make? Party account debit to sales 10,000, 10,000. Then after what is an enter entry? Bank account to 30 for the money received. So when you see bank reconciliation, you want to see bank statement first. And the bank statement will be attached to the party. Why the party is being linked, we go to the party account. Then after the party account will show there is a sales. This all within the period. On the due period, everything is linked. This is what you see the audit. This is how you'll see how we can say this completion memorandum summary that describe a significant matter identified during the audit and how they are addressed and including cross reference to each other relevant supporting audit document that provides certain information.